In the previous video, we explored the essential steps to effectively prepare your iOS app for successful deployment. In this informative video, we will thoroughly explore how to effectively prepare your app for successful deployment on various Android stores. To accomplish this task, simply click on the Build menu option, then select Android, and finally click on the button to create my very first build. A brief overview of your organization is presented in the first step. In Step 2, the name of your application. In Step 3, you'll see a helpful reminder of your icon. And in Step 4, you are asked for a background color. A quick note on iOS. The splash screen file you provide will be displayed in full screen mode, covering the entire screen area. However, on Android devices, the file you provide will be displayed as a circular image positioned in the center of your screen, with a clean, white background surrounding it, creating a simple and visually appealing presentation. That's why we provide a customizable background color option to help standardize and enhance the appearance of your startup screen for a more cohesive and professional look. You can either select colors from the palette provided or choose to import your own custom file for use. And you launch your deployment. For Android deployment, it takes about 7 to 14 minutes.